The Beaunatixx 72-inch 5-tier garage shelves use a reinforced steel frame with sturdy boards on each level, so they feel solid even when loaded with heavy tools and bins. A double-frame structure, leveling feet, and included wall anchors work together to keep the unit stable, which is especially reassuring on uneven garage or basement floors. The shelves are height adjustable and can be split into 2 separate units, giving you flexibility to fit everything from tall storage totes to smaller boxes. This rack is versatile enough for garages, workshops, kitchens, basements, and even light warehouse use, making it a practical choice if you want one system that works in many spaces. The metal components are treated to resist rust, so the shelving holds up well in slightly damp areas like basements or near exterior doors. A simple, bolt-free design makes assembly straightforward for one person, and the brand backs the unit with responsive support and multiple United States-based warehouses for replacement parts.